Bitmap is the visual correspondence of bits to color. This means that the number of bits used is what determines the color that will be displayed on a computer screen or handheld device. If you Google an image, for instance, the file name extension reads .bmp, then the type of file used is bitmaps. What is a pixel? A pixel is the unit of measurement used when referring to a graphic image. All graphic images are made up of pixels. In this image, each of the individual squares are pixels. The number of pixels determines the clarity of the image. This fish has less pixels, making the pixels in the image more pronounced. For instance, if the image has a higher number of pixels, the image will be more defined, like the picture displayed. Bits, bytes, and the three color coding systems. In binary code, zeros and ones are used to represent off and on. This idea comes from the original coding system of the first personal computer, the Altair 8800. Each 0 and 1 is known as a bit, and their sequence is made up of 8 bits. 8 bits make up 1 byte. In bitmaps, bits and bytes are used to identify certain pixels as either black, white, or a certain color. There are 3 color coding systems used in bitmaps. These color coding systems have been reduced to pure black and white, 16 color, and 256 color. In the pure black and white systems, bits and bytes are directly used, while as in the 16 and 256 color code systems, numbers are set to represent the colors used. Pure black and white. Pure black and white is the easiest of the color coding systems to understand. It only uses 2 codes, 0 and 1, to represent the colors used. 0 represents the absence of color, white, and 1 represents the color, black. Since the system uses zeros and ones, each pixel coded uses 1 bit of memory. To calculate the total number of pixels used in a single black and white image, you must know the ratio of pixels represented as horizontal by vertical. If this is known, you must multiply those 2 numbers. This will give you the number of bits. To further calculate the number of bits, take the total number of bits and divide by 8. Remember how 8 bits makes a single byte? Well, since each color coded in pure black and white represents a single bit, then you divide the number of bits in a byte to find the total number of bytes used in a pure black and white image.